Yeah, we got a 2019 4Runner. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because what happened to these vehicles, the only way the alarm goes off is somebody opens the door, and everybody knows that. So they're going to break a window and jump in without opening any of the doors. So we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if they try to bust out this key lock here or bust out a window, the alarm will fire off. And the only reason why we would do a shock sensor add-on because he already has a factory alarm. If he didn't have any type of alarm in the vehicle, and then we would be forced to add an aftermarket alarm. But I'm going to go ahead and bang in the vehicle and the keyhole right here. Okay, I'm going to rearm it. And basically, yeah, when you buy these cars right out of the lot, you know, the salesman will tell you, yeah, it does have a factory alarm. And then you go home thinking that you're all good to go. And you wake up in the morning one day and your window's on the floor and you wonder why this thing was parked next to your bedroom and you didn't hear any horn honking at night. Is because they never went ahead and opened the door. They jumped in and got whatever they needed out of your car, your airbags or whatever they wanted to steal out of your car without opening any of the doors. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window and then that will fire off the alarm. Gonna wait there, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side so I can satisfy, you know, people that watch this video to know that both sides are equally balanced. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. If you have one of these vehicles and you're out of state, you can always call us at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And I can guide you how to get this thing done in your home state. Thank you for watching this video.